In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to bring up your control panel. And I want to make sure that you're either not in Do Not Disturb mode, because if you're in Do Not Disturb, you're not going to receive text or call notifications or just really any notifications. And the second thing you want to do is make sure that you're not in airplane mode, because if you are in airplane mode, you're not going to receive anything at all. Like, it's just not going to come to you because all of your signal, your Wi-Fi and your mobile data is going to be off. The next thing I want you to do is on the left of your phone, the physical button, you're going to see the action button. It's going to be right above the volume button. So you just want to press that and make sure that you're not on silent and make sure that you are in ring mode. And then once you go back to the control panel, make sure your volume is actually high enough. And then all you want to do from here is go over to your settings application. Now, once you're in your settings application, you want to scroll down until you find sounds and haptics, and then you can change your ringtone and alerts volume to whatever you need it to be. So right now mine's about 50%, but you can even increase that higher. For example, if it's just too low for you and you can't hear it. So you can max it out to 100% if you want to as well. Now, the final thing I recommend you doing is scrolling down in settings, going over to apps, and then from here, searching up phone. Then once you find it, go over to the phone application. It's going to show up something like this, and then just scroll down. Then once you're scrolled all the way down, you're basically going to see silence unknown callers as one of the options. And if you have that on, it's basically going to silence and mute all of the calls that you don't have in your contacts. So if you have this on, turn it off, and then anytime anyone calls you that you don't recognize the number or anything like that, you're going to be able to actually hear it this time.